How to make money by renting out your pool. This video will teach you how to make money by renting out your pool. That's right, your swimming pool can earn you money on the platform, Swimply. How much can you make with Swimply? According to a spokesperson, Swimply pool owners can earn about $5,000 to $10,000 per month on average. Pools are expensive to run, let alone the initial investment. Pools can swing to thousands of dollars very quickly. By renting your pool out, you can recoup some of these costs and more. Swimply lets you set your own rates and rent out your pool by the hour. Here's everything you need to know to maximize your earnings on the platform. Keep your pool crystal clear. No one wants to get into a pool and find a dirty Band-Aid on the bottom. Always ensure that your pool is clean and clear before visitors arrive. Organize your pool toys. If you don't have any children staying with you, or even if you do, tidy up all the toys and store them in a designated storage box. If there are children in the group, point them to the box of pool toys and floats that were put away neatly. Make your pool exclusive. You need to be aware that inviting guests into your pool can be a serious risk for hygiene, safety, and enjoyment. It's important that you only give them access to the pool and not your friends and family. This will make the experience so much better for all the pool guests. Provide lounging chairs. Add some loungers to the pool area to give your guests some shade or something to read under. Make sure it's comfortable and clean. No one wants to relax on a muddy, food-stained lounging mat. A small side table next to the sun lounger is the perfect place for guests to put any drink, mobile phone, or other items they might like having within arm's reach. Create shade. To provide some protection for your guests, you should set up an umbrella that won't topple over. On those hot days, you want to ensure your guests can relax under shade to keep them cool. Take professional pool photos. Invest in high-quality photography so your listings don't look as if they were taken on a camera phone. Along with great descriptions, images sell your pool and accommodation. You want to sell the image of luxury because that will give you a better chance of renting opportunity over your competitors. We hope this tutorial was useful. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you want more ideas to earn money with side hustles, check out our website, wallethustler.com. Thank you for watching.